Well off, explained. More than just feeling good. Hey learners, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, well off. Have you ever heard someone describe another person as well off? Or perhaps you've read it in a book? Let's break down its meanings and how to use it. The term, well off, can be broken down into its two words, well and off. Individually, these words might give you an idea of someone being in a good state or position. But when combined, it has a specific context. Well off is often used to describe someone who is financially comfortable or wealthy. For example, her family is well off, so she's never had to worry about money. Thanks to his successful business, he's quite well off. The English language has many ways to describe someone's financial status. Some related phrases to well off include affluent. This is another word for rich or having a lot of money. Prosperous. This means having success, usually in terms of money. Loaded. A more informal and slang way to say someone has a lot of money. Although well off mainly relates to financial status, it can sometimes be used in other contexts, indicating a better state or situation compared to others. For example, in terms of health, she's better off than she was last year. Compared to the other teams, we're well off. Remember, context is key. Always pay attention to the situation in which well off is used to grasp its correct meaning. One common misconception is thinking, well off, only means being in good health or a good mood. While well can indeed refer to good health, when paired with off, in this phrase, it predominantly pertains to financial comfort. So, there you have it. The phrase, well off, usually speaks of financial comfort, but with its versatile English nature, it can also mean being in a better position or state in different contexts. We hope this video sheds light on its meaning and usage. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time. See you in the next lesson.